Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com. Today I'll show you how to crochet an easy hat with a brim. You can wear your hat with the brim part upwards or wear it down to look more like a cloche type of hat. To do this, I'm using 280 yards of worsted weight yarn, 140 yards from one skein and 140 from the other, and I'm using a size K crochet hook. To begin, using 2 strands of yarn held together, make a slip knot on your hook, and then make 4 chains. Then we'll slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. And in this ring, for round 1, we'll begin with the chain 3. That chain 3 serves as the first double crochet. And now in this ring, we're going to make 9 double crochet stitches in it. This is the only time we'll be doing double crochet stitches, as the rest of the pattern uses single crochet stitches. And if you count, you'll have 10 stitches, 9 double crochet plus that chain 3. Slip stitch to the first stitch to close this round. Chain 1 to begin round 2. We're going to work this like typical rounds. This time the pattern is 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch around. So we do 2 stitches in every stitch from the previous round. And we continue with this pattern around with 2 single crochet stitches. We'll have 20 single crochet stitches on round 2. From now on, end your rounds with a slip stitch to the first stitch and a chain 1 for the next round. So for round 3, we follow the pattern of 2 single crochet stitches in the first stitch and then just 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and repeat. 2 single crochet stitches in the next stitch. Then we just do 1 single crochet in the next stitch. At the end of round 3, you will have 30 single crochet stitches on this round. We move on to round 4 now. The pattern this time starts off with the 2 single crochet stitches in the first stitch, and then we just make 1 single crochet stitch in the next stitch, followed by another single crochet in the next stitch. And we repeat this pattern. 2 single crochet stitches in the next stitch, followed by 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and 1 more single crochet in the next stitch. At the end of round 4, you will have 40 single crochet stitches. So we move on to round 5 now. This time, the pattern is, and you can probably guess it by now, 2 single crochet stitches in the first stitch, followed by 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Continue with this 2, 1, 1, 1 pattern around. You will have made 50 single crochet stitches for round 5. And now we move on to our last increase round, which is round 6. The pattern this time is 2 single crochet stitches in the first stitch, followed by 1 single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. And as mentioned before, this will be our last increase round, which helps form the crown part of the hat. You'll have 60 stitches once completed with round 6. Your work at this time will be somewhere between 6 and 6.5 inches across. Now this is an average woman's hat size. I have other sizes available in the written pattern on my website. So for round 7 through round 19 or thereabouts, we're going to make just 1 single crochet in each stitch around. So now we're just forming the sides of that hat by making 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Now I am slip stitching after each round, but you can work in spirals if you prefer. If we take out our tape measure, it should be about 8 inches from the very top of the hat to the bottom of where we are stopping. Add a few more rounds if yours isn't quite at 8 inches. Now it's time to work on the brim part of the hat, so we'll begin with the chain 1. And I know this seems odd, but we're going to turn our work. So we'll be working with the inside part of the hat facing us, and we'll be doing the pattern in the back loops only. The pattern is 2 single crochet stitches in the first stitch, followed by 1 single crochet in each of the next 9 stitches. So basically every 10 stitches will increase the first stitch and let the other 9 stitches just be regular single crochet stitches. Just remember we're working in the back loops only for this round. So for the remaining 3 rounds, we're just going to chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in each stitch around. This time we are using both loops again. You can add a few more rounds of single crochet if you wish. I also have an alternative, larger brim in the written pattern if you'd like to try something different. And that's it. That's how I crochet an easy hat with a brim.